First, we solve this part of the expression. 5 and 5 cancels out each other, leaving us with 14 divided by 7, and 14 divided by 7 equals 2. But this answer is not right because we have to follow order of operations to solve this expression. If you notice, in this expression we have division and multiplication operators present, and when you have both multiplication and division operators present in an expression, you must work from left to right. So we have to solve this division first, and if you notice, there is a fraction present in this expression, 7 over 5. This is not 14 divided by 7 divided by 5, this is 14 divided by 7 over 5. So we can use KCF rule here. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep the first part of the expression as it is, 14 remains as it is. We change the sign from division to multiplication, and flip means we flip the fraction from 7 over 5 to 5 over 7 and times 5. Now we solve this part of the expression because we have to work from left to right. 7 and 14, they both are divisible by 7, so 7 divided by 7 gives us 1, and 14 divided by 7 gives us 2. 2 times 5 is the expression now, and again when we work from left to right, 2 times 5 gives us 10, and 10 times 5 gives us 50, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.